I have a very important announcement to make for everyone who is watching us and has subscribed to our channel. Nothing will prevent Tesla from topping the charts in 2023. You heard me correctly, there is no doubt in my mind about that. This is what the company is estimated to be worth, but maybe you don't see it that way. In the meantime, the prices we see now will make us wonder why we didn't buy more, as I briefly mentioned in today's video. Elon and his flag check company will be the best company of the year, so stay put and keep watching. There's a significant distinction between the company and the stock, which is why I am not referring to the stock. You may have heard the adage, the company is not the stock and the stock is not the company. There is a slight degree of doubt that in 2023, Tesla will manufacture and ship more than ever before. However, rather than asking if what and how, you should be asking when and how. For example, they may set a new record for vehicle deliveries in 2023 or this year, but they're most likely going to surpass that amount despite the market downturn and economic slump. Although it's a bullish forecast, I don't think Tesla will allow it to go into place for whatever reason, and they won't try to achieve 0% margins. Additionally, Tesla isn't in the business of eliminating its competitors. Rather, it aims to move the world towards clean, renewable power. If they decide to drop their margins to that low, other automakers will have a much harder time competing. I'm talking about 15 to 18%, which is fairly high for an automotive. Second, we may anticipate this given that Tesla Megapacks has been releasing their Megapacks, which is reason number 2. Normally, I don't discuss Megapacks or even take Tesla energy into account when evaluating Tesla, but that will change in 2023 due to newly available information. Recently, Tesla opened a Megapack facility with a 10,000 unit annual production capacity. At $2 million per, Tesla can sell all 10,000 Megapacks, and it means they will have made $20 billion so far. Megapacks are profitable, but the company would make $20 billion if production could be increased to 10,000 units, as it seems to be able to do currently. Let's do some updated math. By the end of 2022, Tesla will have sold approximately 1,000 Megapacks, more than making up for any costs. Let's say they boost output to 2,000 units by 2023 or the next year. We have an idea of where it could be. We have heard from anywhere from Mexico to South Korea, and I've also heard from Indonesia, but all signs point to Mexico being the first to be revealed. Fourth, we expect an announcement of a new gigafactory this year. I know we predicted this would happen in September or October of 2022, but it hasn't happened. Bears will continue to insist that Tesla is no longer more than a core firm, even though this would appear on the income statement. To be honest, I don't think any other car maker in the world is doing this as frequently as they do. The fourth reason or prediction that receives the least attention is complete self-driving. It's no secret that Tesla's fully autonomous vehicles will reach a turning point in 2023. It's significant that Tesla intends to make the FSD beta a completely hands-off device. This is a pretty cool and ashish moment because it indicates that the era has learned so much that you may be less cautious when letting the FSD take over. More importantly, though, and as an investor, I'm curious to know how much of the FSD beta will be made available to the general public. With almost 300,000 users of the FSD beta, Tesla may be expecting a bigger and steadier influx of money soon. I estimate that there will be between 600,000 and 8,000 FSD beta drivers by the end of 2023. At which point they will be charging a monthly subscription price of approximately $19,000 or a one-time flat fee of $15,000. By the third or fourth quarters of 2023, if all goes according to plan, we ought to have a clearer understanding of how one-time payments and subscriptions will be managed. We've taken 2 steps toward fully autonomous driving, and we may take 3 if this happens. Additionally, if Tesla can solve FSD and get it approved by governments globally and is regulated, you can be sure that it will surpass Apple as the most valuable company in the world. Debt, to put it simply, Tesla has the lowest debt load in the business. With that in mind, here are the reasons why Tesla's remarkable growth has coincided with the decrease in US auto sales that started in 2020. It is not advisable to have your money looking like this, especially when your sales are expected to remain flat for the foreseeable future, unless you're counting on the government to bail you out. This wouldn't be the first time for these guys during the Great Recession of 2008 to 2009, when the automobile industry in the United States was in danger, sales plummeted, and many automakers faced bankruptcy in response. The U.S. government provided financial assistance to the industry through the Troubled Asset Relief Program, or TARP the program. Conclusion helped General Motors and Chrysler restructure and stay out of bankruptcy by lending them billions of dollars. In addition, the government offered financial incentives to anyone who purchased new automobiles. Even though the road to recovery was long and difficult, further encouraging industry measures helped the automobile industry to recover and eventually return to profitability. In contrast, traditional automakers rely on their financing, which can put a lot of financial strain on them because they have to pay back the debt with interest regardless of how well their businesses perform. However, Tesla has been able to finance its operations and investments primarily through equity, which has allowed the company to operate with less financial pressure. This has given us a greater financial flexibility to invest in R&D, expand its manufacturing capabilities, and pursue new business opportunities. This gives Tesla a significant competitive advantage over its rivals. Furthermore, since Tesla has no debt, it is less susceptible to economic downturns, which may affect the capacity of highly leveraged businesses to meet their financial obligations. In the end, Tesla's debt-free business model has been a major contributor to its success in upending the conventional auto industry and becoming a pioneer in the electric vehicle space. Here are the 5 main reasons and predictions for why I think Tesla will be the market leader in 2023. While the traditional automakers will soon be pleading with the federal government to save them from certain bankruptcy, Tesla will be smashing records with its debt-free model. A single delivery of records in production 2 packs of Tesla Mega 3, a fresh news from Gigafactory. Unlike the competition, Tesla can weather a recession thanks to its 4 FSD and 5. Finally, I'll remark that the sheer number of cars that will be put through their paces between now and the end of the year or the end of 2023 will astound and amaze. That's all I have to say for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.